Okay, so how do you use essential oils, you ask? There are 3 different ways that you can use Young Living essential oils. They don't suggest using other oils all 3 of these ways because you don't know what's in them, but because of Young Living Seed to Seal Promise, you can use our oils all 3 ways. First and foremost, for babies, kids, and sensitive skin, please always dilute the oils. When you're first getting started, you might want to dilute them also, but once you get comfortable, it's not that big of a deal. Do not put the oils in your eyes or your ears under any circumstances. If you're going to use them for ear issues, you can use a cotton ball and just rub it around the ear, in the back of the ear, and down the jawline. That helps. Also, if you have issues that you need support for your eyes, you can just rub around your eye bone. That's what I do. Follow the directions on the labels, of course. Young Living has the lemon oil, and then they have the lemon vitality oil. The vitality is meant for ingestion, and the regular oils are for topical and aromatic. With saying that, oils in the regular bottles are the same as the Vitality, they're just labeled different. So peppermint oil from the regular line and peppermint oil from the Vitality line are the exact same oil, they just have different labels per the FDA. Once you get your starter kit, you can ask whoever you sign up with for assistance on how to use your oils. But the 3 main ways are topical. You can apply directly on your skin. Again, dilute with a carrier oil. A carrier oil is a fatty oil like coconut oil, almond oil, olive oil. They are quickly absorbed and effective. You can do it aromatically. You can use a diffuser. This is my diffuser, one of my diffusers. So you can use a diffuser, or you can inhale straight from the bottle, or you can put some on your hands, cover your nose and mouth, and inhale that way. And then internally. Again, Young Living oils are safe to ingest. Other oils may not be, so I would definitely not do it. The labels that are labeled safe to ingest are white labels, and that's our Vitality line again. Okay? Okay, see you on the next video.